Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Let me just start off by saying Happy New Year. It is now 2026 and this is our year. We got big plans for this year and I appreciate all of you that are going to help me get there with the part of the plan that has to do with this channel and reaching 100,000. Okay, now in addition to that, y'all are pretty amazing. And I have to tell you that you're pretty amazing. I appreciate everyone who actually participated in our giveaway. Unfortunately, we're going to have to take another step. Oh my gosh, y'all. All right. So I was almost 100% positive. As a matter of fact, I am 100% positive that I said to answer in the comment section under the part 2 of our massive giveaway video. But y'all, seasoned beauties that are so amazing, y'all answered everywhere. And it has taken a good minute for me to find a lot of them. I don't even know if I have them all. I don't know. But look, this right here, I had a challenge. And so because I had a challenge, even though I said I wasn't going to search, I did. Okay. But I want to make sure that I covered everyone. So we're going to do something else. Now, I was checking out the comments, the answers, the Instagram posts, the Facebook posts, the community posts, all of them, because y'all let me know it was all over, everywhere. And so I did check, but I want to make sure that I got everybody. And in addition to that, so we don't have to keep doing more back and forth, I'm going to tell you exactly what I need you to do. And I'm asking you to please follow these instructions because this is the final step. Okay. So I will tell you, I did kind of run out of time trying to find stuff. My hubby took me out for my birthday. I'll show you up here what our plates look like. It was really nice. It was really nice. So I was not able to get everything done like I said, I was not sure I saw everybody's post, but there are a lot of y'all and I appreciate every single one of you. So this is what I want to ask of you. Take this email address down. And I'm going to put it in the description box anyway, but I really would love to make sure that you have it. And that is beautifully the number 4, you, the letter U, at gmail.com. Okay. And what I would like you to do is send me an email to that address. In the subject line, I want you to put giveaway answers. Okay. And then in the body of that email, I would like you to give me your contact information. And in addition to that, I would like you to post your answers once again. I just want to make sure I have everybody. Okay. And then I would like you to let me know if you would like to do a Zoom with just those that will have won. Okay. And that way you can see your gifts live. And in addition, those 5 giveaways, I told you it's going to be a combination of everything that I saw. We can go in order so that everybody can choose their first gift that they'd like to get. And this is going to be based on who sends their information back to me fastest. Okay. So whoever email I get first, they will have the opportunity to choose their first giveaway item in that Zoom call. Okay. And we'll decide what's going to be the best time and if it's not going to work, that's fine too. I'll just go ahead and pick it and, send it out. But I just want to interact with y'all. I appreciate you so very much. It was a lot of fun to do this. It was great to see the interactions. And I love the fact that you reached out by any means necessary to let me know. Hopefully I made it clear this time. I'll tell you again at the end before I log off. But I think that that would be kind of fun. It would give us a chance to interact live without any interruptions, because it would only be those that actually won. Okay. And since you're going to send me your information, I can respond back to you in the information that you leave for me. And then if you want, we can post the video or the Zoom link, and then we can actually, and I'll kind of edit it a little bit so it's not long. I don't expect it to be any longer than maybe 10 or 15 minutes anyway, but so that everybody can see it on the channel. Just let me know your thoughts about that part, okay? And then that way, that's how it'll run. So you'll have a chance to choose what item you would like. And hopefully you'll get the one that you like, okay? And I'm sure you will, because there are so many really good. Go back and check the first video and earmark what you want, okay? So if we decide to do this, you'll be ready, okay? Now, I just need you to send your responses to this. I do not want to miss anyone. It was amazing to see how diligent you were. I felt really proud. I'm just saying, I felt really proud and very glad that you would actually go through that to that length to make sure that I received your entry. All right. And then think about it. If you are a YouTuber and you want to collab, let's talk about that too. We can do that. Okay. So I'm just saying it was really, I was very delighted. I cannot, stress that enough. I can't stress it enough. It was wonderful to see. And to see that y'all knew the answer to my first question, that meant a lot to me because that's my girl. Okay. I'm just saying. So what we're going to do is you're going to make sure that this is posted still by this same timeline we talked about. I will give you until noon Eastern Standard Time on January the 2nd, 2026 to get that email into me. Okay. And by midnight Eastern Standard Time, you will have the response of who it's going to be that's going to join me in this wonderful giveaway. Okay? How do you feel about that? Is it too complicated? Is it too much? Let me know. I'm open to this one. This I do care a lot, and it will make a difference with the response that you give me. Okay? So, what are we doing? We are going to ensure that everybody has a chance to get their messages in, and I will know exactly who you are and exactly what your answers are, because all of the Seasoned Beauties family members that decided to enter the giveaway, all of your information will be in one spot. Everybody's will be in one spot. So I can get this done, get it into the random machine so that it can draw your name and whether well, actually it won't choose your name if your answers aren't correct. So just be prepared for that. So that will go on. You're sending it to beautifullymobileforyou@gmail.com. In the subject line, you're going to put giveaway answers. Okay. In the body of the email, you are going to give me your contact information. Then you're going to give me the answers that you have. And you will make sure that this is posted no later than 12 o'clock noon on January the 2nd, 2026. Now, that means I can go right to this one spot, get the winner's information, and feed it into the winner generator. And then that's done, and I can respond to those of you who will have won. Okay? And you will know. Then I'm asking you to let me know if you would like to choose some of your giveaway gifts, because you already know what they are. And if you would like to choose, if you would like to do this via Zoom, and if you would, or Google Chat, one or the other, you know, or Google Meet, we can do it one way or the other so that this can be done quickly and I can go and get it mailed out to you and give you your tracking information. I am so excited and I'm looking forward to getting some space back, you know, so we can prepare for 2026's giveaways. Okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. I appreciate the fact that the Seasoned Beauties community really went all out for this one. Okay? So much so that we can get 5 winners. 5. I'm excited. I'm very excited. Okay. So I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we give out, hopefully, the last set of instructions for our mega giveaway from now that we have reached our over 10,000 subscriber mark. Okay. Make sure you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Give it some hearts. Okay. And make sure you leave a comment. Say, I got it in the comments so I know that you understood my instructions, and I will see your information in my email. How about that? Okay? And if you are not a subscriber, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and it's easy on the pocket because it is free. You can share the video if you want to. You can wait till after you won your gifts or whatever the case may be. Share. I'm fine with that. Are you fine with that? Go ahead and share. We are still trying to, nope, we're not trying to. We are going to make our 100,000 mark for subbies by the end of 2026. Okay? But most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.